The question that we want to answer is, how do multiple forces affect motion? Now, if you go to the website, to the internet, and write this website, cpucips.sdsu.edu, you will access this website. Then you will press in the interactions icon or button. Then you will go to first edition, student site, simulators, and you will have a list of simulations. The one that we're going to be working today is with Unit 3, Cycle 1, Activity 7 setup, which I already have right here. These two arrows represent forces. Forces exerted by these two fans. Now, as you can see, we have two forces, but they are unbalanced. They are unbalanced to the right because this arrow is longer. It means that the force exerted to the right is greater. So when I press run, what do you think is going to happen? Will it move to the right? Will it move to the left? Or will it not move? This arrow represents the speed, so it means that it's speeding up to the right. Well, what if I put this arrow longer? In other words, we have two arrows or two forces, but now the forces are unbalanced to the left. What's going to happen? Obviously, it's going to speed up to the left. But now I want two forces that are balanced. In other words, they are equally strong. I'm going to double click here. I'm going to write 60 because I know that the other arrow is also 60 newtons. Newton is just the unit of measurement of force. So right now, these two forces are balanced. What's going to happen if I press play? Nothing. The car is not going to move. But what about if I give this car a quick push? What would happen? Let's see. I'm going to give the car a quick push, and as you can see, it remains moving at a constant speed. But what about if I give it a quick push, but the strongest force is in the opposite direction of the motion? See, the object is going to be moving to the right, but the strongest force is to the left. So the forces will be unbalanced in the direction opposite the motion. Let's see what happens. I'm still giving it a push. Now I'm not pushing it anymore. What's actually happening? You say slow down. That is correct. Now I'm going to give it a quick push, but the push is going to, the strongest force is going to be in the direction of the motion. What do you think is going to happen? Obviously, it's going to speed up. Now, let's summarize the things that we have learned. How do multiple forces affect motion? The object speeds up if the forces are unbalanced in the direction of the motion. Unbalanced means, again, that the forces are not equally strong. If the strongest force is in the direction of the motion, the object, as you already saw, will speed up. Now, if the forces are unbalanced in the direction opposite of the motion, the object will slow down, as you already saw. So the object slows down if the forces are unbalanced in the direction opposite the motion. Now, if the object does not move or moves at a constant speed if the forces are balanced. Basically, this is a summary of Activity 7.